my god, that's really kind of awkward. Or it's not awkward, it's really dumb. Why should I not exactly say it? Let it be. Next thing is you should never eat anything which is wrapped in newspaper because ink used in newspaper is directly linked to cancer. Yes, there are a lot of Indian moms who actually, kind of put anything in tiffin under newspaper only. So you should actually start telling your parents about this thing. Cracking your knuckles does not hurt your bones. The sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting. So I have seen a lot of people who actually say कि अंगुलियां मोटी हो जाएगी या फिर कुछ अजीब हो जाएगा. Oh, I realize that this is the real reason behind it. Dimples are in fact genetic defects as muscles grow incorrectly and leave a gap between them. ओ माय गॉड, ये जो लोग हैं ना जो काफ़ी अपने डिम्पल्स पे गुरूर करते हैं उनको जाके ये फैक्ट दिखाओ और बोलो कि भाई तुम में डिफेक्ट नहीं. मतलब इन अ वे ये बुरा नहीं है पर एट द सेम टाइम इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है कि लोग शो ऑफ करते हैं अपने डिम्पल्स का. There is a book named as Everything Men Know About a Woman that is just 120 blank pages. Because I feel like women knows everything about men but men don't know about women. Are you guys agree with me? Do mention about this in the comment section. Your body is weakest during 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. This is the time most people die in their sleep. That's a fact. Psychology says students who have no future plans end up being successful and rich in the future. Guys, please don't actually, start, uh, you know, don't actually start thinking कि ये एकदम सही फैक्ट है. क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और बहुत ऊपर तक पहुंचते हैं पर गिनती के कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनके कोई प्लान्स नहीं होते और वो अच्छा कर जाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. सो इट्स बेटर यू शुड हैव अ प्लान टू डू समथिंग इन योर लाइफ. After many tests, research have found that Oreos are way more addictive to brains than cocaine and heroin. I feel like, yes, I love Oreo and it's amazing in taste. Before sleeping, 90% of your mind begin to imagine stuff you'd like to happen. You always wanted something like काश मेरा पैच अप हो जाए. आई विश मेरा क्रश मुझे प्रपोज कर दे. आई विश मैं मेरे मॉम डैड को ये गिफ्ट दे सकूँ. आई विश मुझे जॉब मिल जाए. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन योर माइंड एंड द आंसर इज इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. Blind people do not see blackness, they see nothing, they do not sense the color black. Oh my god, for so long I've been actually thinking ki they found that it's black, but ooh, I realize that they do not sense the color black. I see that. Do you know dog can smell cancer? If your dog is acting weird near you, you should go and check yourself. Okay, so it's a true fact. I don't know how, but yeah, it's a true fact. So better keep this in understand and understand this concept because it's really unique and different. So there might be chances when your dog actually start yeah doing weird things. I hope that day will not come, but yeah. If you have power to go alone in cinema halls and restaurants, then you can do anything in life. Dude, I can't go outside my home akeli. Then how will I be able to, go to watch a movie? Oh my god, I can't do it. So like, what do you think, guys? Do you guys do it? Can you guys do it? Because I can't. I'm not the kind of person. Even though I'm an introvert, but I can't go alone. Woo. Rubbing a banana peel on a mosquito bite can help stop the itching. Consider this thing in mind because there are a lot of mosquitoes who, bite us daily and get rashes. So always remember that will help you. In Rajasthan, each and every city's color coordinates. Jodhpur is blue, Jaipur is pink, Jhalwar is purple, Udaipur is white. Oh my god, isn't it crazy? Wow, if you any of you guys are from Jodhpur, Jaipur, or somewhere from Rajasthan, do tell us in the comment section about it. Do you know tigers are the most revenge seeking animals on earth? Just like you are of your dushman, tigers do take revenge from their dushmans. So, yeah. Ostrich can fall in love with humans. Oh my god. Either the people are not falling in love with me, यहाँ पे animals are falling in love with humans. Ooh, that's crazy. Do you know brushing your teeth with a non-dominant hand, brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand improve brain functions and encourage your neutral pathway to form. Okay, so I'll tell you advice. If you guys are doing your brush with left hand or right hand daily, try once with the another hand. You will be seeing a lot of changes, right? Your brain will work according to it. So that's a great fact. Do you know hold a slice of cucumber on the roof of your mouth with your tongue for 90 seconds? The psychochemical kills the bacteria that causes bad breath. So there have been people around me and you, I guess, who have really bad breath. So you can definitely suggest them this, or you can share this video to them so they can actually get the idea of what you are saying. Oh, please tell me what's their age. I'm not going to show you. Tell me what's their age. 14, 15, 19. Oop. Their age is 63. It's a 63-year-old. She's 63-year-old. I can't imagine. Oh my god, really? And she's 36. She's 41. Oh my god, she's looking younger than me. Are you guys aware about it? Are you guys awake? Please don't fall for this beauty. Did you know a person usually makes a lot of hand gestures when telling a truth? When telling a lie, a person's hand gesture will stay noticeably still. So, if you ever try to make it work, you have to actually, start putting that hand gesture so that people will think that you are telling truth. Alright? Intelligent people tend to have less friends than the average person. The smarter you are, the more selective you become. So, I was in 5th to 6th grade. I had a lot of friends, but as time goes, I come in college and I really don't have any real friend. So, yeah, I can totally believe that, I'm the most selective and intelligent person. Are you?